Here is how to connect your Printify store to your eBay. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you are all doing great. Today I will be talking about connecting your eBay store with your Printify and having products from Printify to sell on eBay, and then you will be getting your sales within this connection. So today I'll be talking about that, and I'll be talking about who's eligible and who's not, and pretty much everything that you will need to know. So let's actually get to the video and talk about what this entire thing means. So basically, Printify is going to allow you to create print-on-demand products, and you will be able, if you connect it to eBay, to list it within eBay. So what you will need is an eBay seller account, and then you will obviously need a Printify store. So those are going to be the basics. And also, you will need to be a merchant based in the US. So this is as far as I'm aware, that you will need to be from the US. Otherwise, I don't think this is going to work. And I've read some people who say even if they could create an account from, like, for example, the UK or something, and connect it to eBay, it's going to be like too expensive, and they will not be getting any profit out of it. So this is why I believe that it's only, for the time being at least, only available for the US. So keep that in mind. So if you can do all of those things and you have all of those things, then you will be able to do so. So let's actually get started. I have a notepad down here because I unfortunately cannot really create one. I'm not based in the US, but I will talk to you about everything that you will need to do in order to do it. And I will just showcase some of the steps on how to do it as well. So step one is going to be basically, first, again, only US-based merchants can integrate Printify with eBay US. So step one is going to be opening an eBay seller account. To do so is very simple. You just go to eBay, and then you will need to obviously create an account from eBay. So you just go to My eBay, click on it, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. So from here, you will need to go ahead and create an account. Now, they will provide you with two options, either a business account or a personal account. And some people think that you will need a business account to do so, when in reality, you don't really need to. Business account is going to be for people who are more frequently doing this type of stuff, so selling stuff. But you can also do a personal account, by the way. The only difference is it depends on the rate of how much you're doing it. So if you are just planning on selling stuff, then maybe business account is going to be for you. Personal is more of, like, sometimes you do it as a hobby kind of thing. So it's going to be up to you on which type of account you will create. It does not really matter. So let's say you go for the business account. In here, you will need to go ahead and actually enter your details, business name, business email, password, and so on. Obviously, again, like I said, United States. And then you will need to add a phone number and also bank account. And then you can also afterwards, from within the eBay, after you log in and create an account successfully, you can add more payment methods if you want. But for the time being, you will need to start with your bank account. So with that being said, you have created your eBay account, then you will need to go ahead and go to printify.com, where you will need to obviously create an account for Printify and just set things up normally, so nothing too crazy about it. And then once you have a Printify account, things are going to be easier from here, because they kind of do a lot of the work for you. Not all of it, just a lot of it. So once you are on your Printify store, on the dashboard, like you can see in your screen right now, you'll need to go ahead and click on My Store and then Manage My Stores. In here, you should find your store or multiple stores if you have multiple than one or more than one. Just locate the store that you want to connect to eBay, and then just click on Connect. From here, you should find all the e-commerce platforms that you can connect to, like Shopify and so on. but our focus here is eBay. So you just go ahead and very easily just click on eBay, where it's going to ask you to first create your store. Here is going to be step one. Now for this, you already have a store. They're talking about the Printify store. So once you are in this step, which I can't show you because I believe I have done this in the past, the first step, create your store. You just go ahead and select the store that you want to connect with your eBay account. It's very simple. It's a drop-down menu. It's going to show you the stores that you have for Printify. So you select the Printify store. Then you will find yourself within this step, which is create an eBay account. So they expect you to create an eBay account, but you can, because we already did that, you just go ahead and select I have an eBay account and go ahead and click on continue. And you can, by the way, read more about the business versus personal accounts within eBay if you want to learn more. But we will stick to what we have. So they will give us this where you can just, sign up, sign in with your eBay account that we have just created. And that's it. You should be pretty much done, and your Printify and eBay should be connected. Now this is going to be the second step, and it's pretty much where you will need to this is going to be the step that is going to connect both your eBay and Printify accounts, and then from there, which is going to be step 3, which means you are pretty much done, is going to be start creating listings within Printify. So this is going to be all done within Printify, but then it's going to be automatically placed within your eBay store. So you don't really have to do any other type of work within eBay. The only thing that you will need to do within eBay is set up these settings. So eBay, you will need to do the settings, as in like shipping, the payments, like I said, payment methods, and so on. So those are going to be settings that you will need to set up within eBay. Like I said, you will start with your bank account, and then you can add more like PayPal and others. So once that's done, you'll need to be starting with Printify and create listings. So to do so is very easy and simple. You just go to your Printify account, where you will go to your dashboard or My Store or whatever you have, and you can just create a listing manually, and it's going to already have the eBay store ready to go, and it's going to ask you if you want to match a template or not, and it's just going to be automated from there. It's not going to be fully automated. You obviously need to select the products and stuff, but it's all going to be within Printify and eBay. Whatever you create with Printify, you will create with eBay, and it's going to be simple. Now, if you want to learn more, you can just come to this page right here. So just go to printify.com guide how to sell on eBay, and you should find yourself in this page, and it's going to tell you more and more about it, like what to sell on eBay if you want, the eBay subscriptions, and so on. And also the fees. Do keep in mind that eBay does have fees like any other e-commerce platform. So you'll need to know those fees, and also subscriptions, because you'll need to actually at least subscribe to the minimalist subscription plan. You will need to have that, as well as the other fees. So this is basically how to connect your Printify store and then eBay, I'm sorry. And by the way, once the orders are done, so if somebody orders from you from eBay, all the rest of fulfillment and stuff is going to be within eBay. So the process of adding products to eBay is going to be from within Printify, but then the fulfillment and stuff is going to be within eBay. It's just like any other products from eBay. So I hope this tutorial was helpful and showed you the method of how to connect them, and taught you more about how to actually go about fees and stuff. So this is pretty much all I can show you within this video. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.